And so I want to always do these. If I do kind of a knife review or something like this and I get a chance, I want to do it near a body of water. Some old wood ducks. I've never been to this place before. Keep me a fishing rod, just in case. I keep me a bag with me, almost in every vehicle. Catfish I got see. And also keep some knives with me. So. The reel that I'm using is a 33 micro, one of them little teeny Zepco 33 push buttons bait casters. I always like using these. I try to use the other reels, I can use them, but this one right here just easy. It's small, it's light. I like that. And this rod that I'm using is an old Zepco rod. And let me tell you what, I bet this thing, I guarantee you this rod got to be about 30 years old. I believe it probably belonged to Dad. And you know, throughout me and him fishing, I got it and then put different reels on it. So that bad boy down for a minute. I got this old, it ain't a tripod, it's a bipod. Mr. Mike Harris had got for me. Thank you, Mr. Mike. He always be looking at, picking me up stuff. I appreciate that. I didn't see this knife online, not exactly this one. They had other Craftsman knives up there, but not exactly this one. This one come from Lowe's. It's about $16, $17. Just a regular folding pocket knife. It's a spring assist pocket knife with a stainless steel blade. It's got just a regular blade on top and a serrated blade on the bottom end. And a little bit of difference from the other knives that I could see. This knife right here had some kind of locking mechanism right here. I'm not exactly sure if that is what you hit to make it spring assist, or does it just farther lock the blade, in place even more. Well, I guess we'll find out, guys. Of course, Craftsman lifetime warranty. Not sure if y'all can see this. My sister-in-law gave me this, Miss Page, and of course she had engraved on it live action. So anyway, nice knife. Yeah, Mr. Don, they put that thing on there where you need a knife to open this one too as well. But again, I guess that's to keep the people from stealing. Be just my luck, I'm sitting here looking at the camera and some are breaking that water. Alright. First impressions of the knife. I'm not gonna say it's bulky, but it feels pretty thick in your hand. Feels pretty thick in your hand. The red part right here is a plastic. This black part right here down at the bottom is kind of like a rubber. Got a rubber type feel to it. And it feels. Feels pretty good too. Let's see, bring that blade on down. Oh yeah. Y'all see that spring to it? See if y'all can see that. Got a spring to it there. Now, my question is, when that thing opened up, man, oh, it's got a little trigger down here on the bottom end. I'm sure if y'all can see that right here. Got a little trigger on it right there. Well, okay. Oh, so that little locking mechanism right here, you got to hold this down and hit that trigger right here before it comes open. So this lock right here, I thought this lock was going to actually be a lock to kind of, I don't know, lock that knife in twice, lock in from here and lock in from here. There's a little bit of movement on it. So windy today. I hope that wind doesn't bother y'all, but we'll find out when I post the video up. Anyway, Craftsman spring assist. She fast. And my guess is, guys, from Craftsman, my whole thought process is the knife should be pretty rugged. Is, getting it at Lowe's, they know people gonna be cutting sheetrock with it, boxes with it, stabbing and prying stuff with it, doing new home construction or whatever. I had this knife about 3 weeks now, but I've been waiting to do this. So it won't open. It won't open unless you push down this little tab right here. Push it, slide it down. Joker. She feel pretty good for a regular old folding pocket knife. She feel pretty good. So. Oh yeah. Yeah. She feel all right. Anyway. Alright guys, I'll be rocking this one for a little bit. They got a little spot down there for you to put put some kind of lanyard or something on. Some paracord or something. So anyway. Here we go. Y'all to see me. If I don't lose it, y'all to see me skinning a deer or something. I need to be skinning a turkey with that thing. See how that thing fit in your pocket. So it's not a deep, show y'all, it's not a deep pocket carry. If y'all can see that. See that in there. I'm sure I can see that. That's not a real deep pocket carry. But you see how the other one sets in there? If y'all can see that. This one right here sets high. So I don't really care for that, but you know, it's a knife, it is what it is. Keep on moving. I'm gonna throw a few more times, guys, and I'm gonna slide on out of here. I'm on my lunch break, so slide on out of here and see if I can try something else out. I need to get myself back to work so I can get home and get with the family. All right, stick with y'all. Talk with y'all a little bit. Y'all stick with me and see what else we can get going. See if I can show y'all the turkey or something. Hopefully. When you're out in the woods by yourself, I know y'all already know, but just look around, just peek around. You never know what you're liable to see out. All right, guys. I don't think y'all can see it down there, but it was a water moccasin down on the bank down there. Me and him was gonna get the fight, but I did some high stepping and got up out of there. Anyway.